Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Townace Noah. It has 41,932 original miles and is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This Townace is also 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, alongside 1 rear sliding door and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, we're going to take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. And then down here, as y'all can see, this is the kilometers, 67,485. The miles on it again is 41,932. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we would love to answer them for you. I would like to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean a lot. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thank you again so much.